Ladies and gentlemen, if you click this video, you are tired of waking up tired, even when you sleep 7 to 8 hours. Hey, I'm Shin. I grew up in Japan, and today I will show you 7 Japanese habits backed by real sleep science that help you sleep fewer hours and still wake up energized. Habit number 1. Keep your room colder than you think. In Japan, bedrooms are often colder than in many Western homes, and this matches what sleep scientists keep saying. Dr. Matthew Walker, a leading sleep researcher and professor of neuroscience and psychology at UC Berkeley, explains that your body has to drop its core temperature by around 2 or 3 degrees for deep sleep to start. And a cool room helps that change happen naturally. There are also studies showing that when the room is too hot or too cold, your deep sleep is disturbed and you wake up more during the night. When the temperature is in the right range, your slow wave sleep and sleep quality improve. So tonight, try setting your room around 16 to 18 degrees or using a fan or open window. It feels cold for a moment, but it gives you much deeper sleep for the whole night. Habit number 2. Use firmer support instead of soft sinking bed. Japan has a long culture of tatami rooms and firm futons, and even with modern beds, many people still prefer firmer support. This is not just a tradition. A large clinical study found that medium firm mattresses improved pain and function for people with back problems, compared with very firm ones, and these surfaces kept the spine in a better neutral position. When your spine is supported, you move less and your sleep is less broken. Soft cloud-like beds feel nice at first, but they let your body sink, which leads to many tiny wake-ups that you do not remember, but your brain does. If you want more energy, test a slightly firmer surface. You can remove a thick, soft topper or add a firm layer. When your spine is stable, your brain can stay in deep sleep longer. Habit number 3. Warm your body, then let it cool down. This is where the Japanese bath culture, the ofuro, connects with science. Studies on passive body heating show that taking a warm bath or shower before bed can help you fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. It works because warm water moves blood to your skin. Then when you step out, your core body temperature drops faster, which is the signal your brain uses to start sleep. You do not need a huge Japanese-style bath. A simple warm shower 1 to 2 hours before bed is enough. Warm up first, then let your body cool naturally. That drop is what tells your brain it's time to sleep. Habit number 4. Do a simple shutdown ritual so your mind lets go. A lot of young ambitious people cannot sleep because their brain keeps replaying tasks and worries. In Japan, evenings often have a clearer rhythm. Work ends, people commute, eat, bathe, and wind down. That pattern tells the brain that the day is finished. There is a cool study from Baylor University where people wrote down either what they had already done or a to-do list for tomorrow. The group who wrote a to-do list fell asleep faster because their brain stopped trying to hold everything in working memory. You can copy this. 30 minutes before bed, write down the most important things for tomorrow. Then say to yourself, I am done for today. That takes the pressure off your brain and makes it much easier to fall asleep. Habit number 5. Use short recovery windows in the day. Japan has a lot of short rests built into daily life. People close their eyes on the train, take small pauses between tasks. It looks lazy, but the science says the opposite. NASA studies on pilots found that a planned nap of around 20 to 26 minutes improved performance and alertness by large margins without creating heavy grogginess. You do not need a long nap. Tomorrow, just pick one 20-minute window. No phone, no scrolling. Just lie back or sit comfortably with eyes closed and slow breathing. Even if you do not fully sleep, this lowers fatigue and makes it easier to get good deep sleep at night. Habit number 6. Protect your sleep from screens at night. Japan has phones everywhere, but people don't fall asleep watching Netflix like it's a nightly ritual. Modern sleep research is very clear on this. Blue light and bright screens at night delay melatonin and push your body clock later. A famous study from Harvard showed that people reading on a light-emitting device before bed took longer to fall asleep, secreted less melatonin, had a later body clock, and felt less alert in the morning, compared with reading a printed book. So here's the thing. Give yourself one quiet hour with no intense screen time before bed. You can use audio, stretching, or reading on paper. And this gives your brain smooth landing instead of a crash. Habit number 7. Keep your neck aligned with the right pillow. In Japan, buckwheat pillows are pretty common. They feel firm and they shape to your neck instead of letting your head sink. And this lines up with research showing that pillow height and design change the pressure on your neck and the curve of your spine. The right height can reduce stress on the neck muscles and improve comfort and sleep. You do not need the exact Japanese pillow brand. You just need something that supports the natural curve of your neck. If you wake up with neck or shoulder tightness, your pillow height or firmness is probably not right. Adjust it until your head and neck feel supported in a natural position. This small change can remove a lot of micro wake-ups and give you much more energy in the morning. So here's a takeaway. Keep your room cooler. Switch to firmer support. Take a warm bath or shower before sleep. Give yourself a real shutdown ritual. Use a short recovery window during the day. Establish a 1-hour tech wind down. And upgrade your pillow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.